Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Culture of innovation encourages curiosity, embraces change, and turns bold ideas into practical solutions that improve how we live, work, and connect. From advances in technology and healthcare to new ways of learning and doing business, innovation is breaking traditional boundaries and creating opportunities that were once unimaginable. As organizations and communities prioritize creativity and continuous improvement, they are not only solving today's challenges, but also building a more adaptable, inclusive, and sustainable future for all. We spoke with Dr. A. Raji Reddy, Director CMR Technical Campus, Hyderabad, to understand his views on how culture of innovation is reshaping life around us. Listen in.
Now, what is need is innovation. Means small changes in which will result in a big impact, which will improve the efficiency, which will solve the many problems. That is why innovation plays an important role now at this stage of the entire world. For this innovation, actually the thought process is very important. Thinking differently, finding different solutions. Means the problem may be same, but solutions can be different. By changing a small change in the process or in the method or in the manufacture. For example, I would like to quote here, during the COVID time, we were shortage of ventilators. But because of the 3D printing emerged at that particular time, even we too have a 3D printing laboratory. We could able to develop certain parts of the ventilator so that we that time, because shortage of time, we could able to do it because that is an innovative way of building the innovators. Now 3D printing technology playing a vital role, even it is gone to the extent of printing human organs. So that is, I call it as an innovation. That is what in every walk of life, whether it is IoT or robotics or the 3D printing. Even in medical also, we see now no more human rather intervention, especially now robots have come into picture, innovative way, precisely the operations are made done. And means that cut portion of the human body is limited what is required only, so that healing is taking place very faster. So in every walk of life now innovation is playing a vital role in it. There is no barrier for the technology. Not only technocrats or engineers only using technology, even a farmer is also using technology today because of the innovation, because the technology is made available to them at doorstep and even mobile. Palm they are getting able to see every kind of information updated. That also I call it as an innovation. Innovation in every walk of life. Now it is a vital. We too here have a MSME business incubator, and we have also set up an incubation center here, motivating the students and faculty work together and develop a product which will be useful to the humankind. Because the idea which they generate is not just enough. It is to be converted into a product, and thereafter it should be commercialized. So that process we are helping the students by giving all kind of support, like start to rather initiate the process of company. Section 8 company also we have initiated. Startups also we are helping the students to get registered, and we are finding angel investors also to help them out in developing a product, and so that later it can be commercialized. So that is the motto with which we are working. And as part of that, we introduced in the first year, BTech first year itself, what is called as a basic emerging engineering technologies. Like we introduced IoT, we introduced robotics and 3D printing in first year. Second year, real-time projects. We are asking them during the summer to visit the villages of their own respective villages during holidays. go through the survey. In fact, we have given a list of points to be surveyed. So based on that survey, what kind of help or what kind of solutions we can give to the local people. So that on that we are expecting students to work on it and develop and then make it available to the whoever the customers who are in need of it. So that is how we are building it. So in that way, incubation plays a major role because incubation required a space, equipment, technology and mentor, investor. All these people should come together, then only they can develop a product. Yeah, definitely industry has to play a role. Why? Because the industry real-time problems also, because some of the hackathons we collaborated with the industry. We are taking industry original problems and giving it to the students through the hackathons, through the codathons or some other kind of workshops are organizing through which we are expecting a solutions to those problems. So that is how industry is giving real-time problems to the students, and we are also allowing the students at second year, even third year, if they wish, if they want to work in industry, uh, as an intern or whatever may be the case which industry allows, we are encouraging them to do, and also considering whatever kind of work they are doing it as an academic credentials also we are giving. Disruption of what you call technology, AI means now it has become a buzzword. No doubt, in every disruption of technology, so a new thing will emerge. It may number of jobs may we lose, but it will give an opportunity to create more jobs. In such scenario, no doubt, human brain cannot be replaced by a machine. And human has to be more intelligent than the machine to take a decision. AI is a tool which will help the students or people to assess whatever parameters they are looking for. But that is not a complete solution. But still, we are also importing AI into every walk of life. Now, doctors are using AI. Even industry is also using AI in scrutinizing the applications. HR department is already now moved up. That is how the changes are happening. But as an institute, we are also observing all these things and we are trying the student community to move in another direction, whereby encouraging them to be a job creator or entrepreneurship, driving them towards entrepreneurship, driving towards them registration of the startups and providing all kind of support, funding also, so that they can start their own industry and they can also employ few more people who can work along with them. This is the scenario is going to be tomorrow. Small scale industries or MSME, all these sectors has to bloom, and even chai wala or samosa wala or sweet shop may use AI in future to rather to improve their sales, to improve their profit. So definitely we are also driving students in the direction in case of AI.